otu ihe na-enye nsogbu n'ihe gbasara ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị n'obodo anyị bụ Naịjirịa bụ ndị oti mkpu. Anyị etigidegoro ndị ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị mkpu nke bụ na ọ mara na ha ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na anyị nsị asị honorable na nsị ya atọka ahụ ha atọka, anyị eche na ha amaghị ihe anyị na-eme. Mgbe ụfọdụ anyị chefuo na anya na-aga warawara na-ene n'okwu na-aga warawara. Ya mere o ruo na mgbe elekshọn apụta m ihe anyị chọrọ, anyị na-etiri ha mkpọ, anyị na-etita ihe etitacha ụfọdụ etite kọpụ rice, ụfọdụ etite ụmụ ihe dị agha dịka nnu 2,000 3,000, emechaa ya nke ahụ aga. Ọgwụkwụ agaghị ga-ejigwa ụmụahịa. Anyị gara mmemme matriculation nke ndị Gregory University dị n'Uturu bụ nke Dr. Greg Ibe hiwere. Maazị Rotimi Amaechi bụ onye akpọrọ ka ọ bịa kwuo okwu, onye ọbịa pụrụ iche n'ụbọchị ahụ. Ndị oti mkpu karịa ebe niile, amechi.com, amechi.com, if you no gree go gree, anaghị etu ya afa ebe ọbụla a gara, achụ ikpe ekpere, achụ ime ihe ọbụla, ndị oti mkpu a na-eti, nke bụ na ụfọdụ chekwuzi na ya bụ ihe ọ bụ ọgbakọ ndị APC. Ike wee gwuo onye ọbụla. Anyị mana onye ọbụla na-achụrụ afọ ya, onye ọbụla na-eme ka m nweta ihe ga-abịa n'akpa, mana emekataziri amaha na onye a na-agbara afa bụkwa ekperima n'onwe ya. Amaha na Amaechi na onwe ya bụ onye isi ndị ara, na ọ bụrụ na ọ daa n'ụdị ka emee ya bụ ihe n'aka n'aka. Ka anyị sonyere ya na mgbe ọ gara nye okwu pụrụ iche nke ọ gwara ụmụ akwụkwọ nakwa ọtụtụ n'ime anyị ndị bịara ebe ahụ, maka na ya bụ okwu bara uru. Ọ kọrọ anyị etu ha si mee mgbe nke ha. Ọ bụrụ na ịgụnye ya ruo n'oge a, ị mara na ọ bụrụ na ha gara n'ihu etu ahụ ha si na-eme mgbe ahụ, ikekwe Nigeria kara ịdị mma.
So I was in the University of Port Harcourt, and I think I got admitted in 1983. So I got into the first year, and from the year we got to University of Port Harcourt, the University of Port Harcourt knew no rest until we left, because they had radicalized us. They had taught us what it was to hold government to account. So all that period you saw Taishola and were those on the street. The period that President Babangida was president, the period that Buhari was president, a head of state, we continued to fight until the year we were about to leave. And we said, no more fight, let's finish our, then you can continue. Unfortunately, when we left, that was the last time we saw the university students hold government to account. Instead, what you see is what I saw outside. When you see government officials, they are singing and dancing for him. When we're investing, none.
Anyị ga-ahapụzi ka anyị ga ihe o kwuru na nyabụ okwu kwuru na ụbọchị matriculation nke Gregory University dị n'Uturu, maka na anyị mara na ya bụ ihe ọ rụtara aka buru ibu. Ya mere ka anyị sonyere Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi.
I remember the day that we had the convocation, and our governor then, the police commissioner Yakileme came. We were sitting in the whole secretariat to call for I think other convocation matriculation. For the whole we were shouting, Ewu, 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 the man from Ewu, the man from Ewu, we were shouting. But here, now, the way the country is, the university students will be praising the person and running after him. We are taught to believe that all government officials are thieves. And we heard them to be that. Whether it was true or not, we got people to fail elections in student election only if we found out that you were close to the VC or to the government. How do you make him fail? Manifesto night. As he's speaking, useless man, he and Yakileme are from the same town. They had a meeting, you have failed. you will see stone. They will be stoning you until you run out of that place. So, students did not identify with government. Students rather saw government as those who are making the country fail, not to succeed. I left university in 1987, I got into university in 1983. And by the time I got into the university, my parents, and they must know that, didn't have money to train me in university. But my father managed to make sure that I graduated from university. I am the first son, the first child of my father that graduated from university. The first. My other siblings did not graduate from the university, and I will tell you what will make you to laugh now. As a governor, my siblings and I had a family meeting. My elder brother was there, and I said, gentlemen, see, I have been carrying the whole of this family from when I was a speaker. Immediately I finished my tenure as a governor, that will be the end. I like to face my immediate family, my children and my wife. My immediate elder sister turned to me, look, and he did not train us. So it means you are the investment of the family. So until you die, you are the responsibility. You have the responsibility of making sure that the family survives. And that is exactly the story of our family. But I have younger ones who are growing up. I hope they will take over from me, or at the stage when I stop, they will take over. But after me, all others, now that are graduates, were sponsored by me and my dear wife. So it wasn't rosy for us. It wasn't. If here, the bishop prayed, and you all shouted amen, I listened to his prayer. I used to have a professor of literature. When you write nonsense, he will just write E.T. Boribo. How many of you know that? You know the meaning of E.T. Boribo, right? That means you didn't study. If you don't study, you are going to nowhere. And I'm happy with the news now that lecturers are held to account. So if you're a fine girl, you are seducing a lecturer, it's a waste of what? And by the way, in the university, the best students were women. And the excuse we gave is that they don't have girlfriends, do they? Do women have girlfriends? They don't, they have boyfriends. And what would the boyfriend do? If you're a student boyfriend, you go and look for money for them. So while they are reading, you're looking for money, is it not? That's the excuse we gave. So while they were making their first class, we were doing second class and third class because we are struggling to help them with money while they are studying, help them with money to buy clothes, to go to movies and all that. Leave them alone, study your book. Women, when you graduate, you always meet a fine woman to marry. That way, you will graduate with a good degree. Now, let me give you a story of how I started. In 1987, I just joined politics. Met Chief Foster George and Dr. Peter Odili, and climbed with the heavy support of Dr. Peter Odili and God. God first, Dr. Peter Odili second, Chief Foster George and Dr. Peter Odili. Rufus gave us the first opportunity, then Dr. Peter Odili took over. But don't forget that I wasn't the only person that they met. We were many, right? It means that I must also have worked hard and I must have. I hope nobody accuses me of being arrogant, but DPN. After that, I became Speaker of the University House of Assembly, and that was 1999. 1999, I became Speaker at 34. That's why I said I prefer commencement speech. So imagine how many of you will be Speaker at 34. You have to work hard. At 34, I became Speaker. You saw that they tried to stop me. For those of you who are students of history, I became governor at 42. And I was the youngest governor in Nigeria, don't forget that. At 42.
Honorable Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi Ghana. Ụfọdụ ụmụ akwụkwọ tinyere ndị ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị ndị otu mkpubere ebe ahụ wee kpebie na oru na mgbe a ga-egosi na ha bụ ya bụ nne ewu na-ata agba na ụmụ ya na-enekwana ya anya n'ọnụ n'ihi na ha mụtara ihe ọ kụziri mana ọ bụghị nnụnụ niile na-aga ọgụ ọtụrụkpọkpọ ya bụ na onye ọbụla isi n'aka ha aka ekwesịghị ịpụta n'ọgụ okwute unu ga-enene n'etu o si mee maka na ebughị high life aga na be Ọsadebe. Eziokwu chọọchị agbasa na ka anyị nanụ.
Opurobios Igwe Jenga.